How do WhatsApp notifications sound on? Hello everyone, welcome to channel. Today I'll show you how to activate notification sounds on WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. Next, select Notifications. Under Message Notifications, check that notification tone is set to your preferred sound. Tap it to select or change the tone. For group notifications, do the same. Tap Notification Tone and choose your desired sound. Under Call Notifications, ensure ringtone is set to a sound you like. And that's it! You've enabled WhatsApp notification sounds. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to Channel Name. Thanks for watching.